prime dogging location. Look at this. Look at that. I mean,
That's horrid.
I need to chuck it over there first.
It's coming.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's coming down here.
Act normal.
Oh my gosh.
Act
How
normal.
am I supposed to act normal with a camping chair?
Oh, it's a police car. Oh God, this is.
Just say we're clearing.
It's an actual police car.
What are the chances of that?
That is in the middle of nowhere.
That's so funny. Why did it just make one little beep?
Yeah. What does that mean? There's no one here.
Normally that's to warn people.
I think this is a sign of what's to come, but this is ridiculous. Oh my God.
We've not even been here like 5 minutes.
Not even 30 seconds, hardly.
That's hilarious.
Right.
Back to chucking it over the fence. Let's hope that a car doesn't see
Have to go quite quick.
us. Yeah.
There's a car and he's probably seeing us. Great. I'm hungry already.
I'm starving. It was that walk. How much stuff we actually have though.
Yeah, that is not. But we found a spot in these woods with some stones.
Yeah.
Because there's quite a lot of stones and stuff in these woods. We don't know what it is, but if you look, like it's quite a lot of, you know, stuff like this knocking about. Probably some old waterworks or whatever.
It's like the ruins.
But we thought we could make this our camp and turn it into a fire.
Yeah.
A fire pit.
Hopefully. Whoa.
Well, it's a good bit of firewood that's not wet because it's quite damp because it's just rained. So
Yeah. There's quite a few flies here, actually.
yeah.
If you look up.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Yeah. I'm good at putting the tent up, so.
Yeah. Well. Okay. Do you want to put the tent up then, and I'll
Yeah.
go get some firewood.
Okay.
Okay. Well, that is it.
Done! It's so simple. I love this tent.
What have you found?
I don't actually know what it is. It's like some dried out grass or something, but there's loads. I thought it might be good to start the fire. So.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at that. Whew.
Burning yes.
Ah.
This
You
is
just
so.
forget that we're making a video, and this is just such a nice evening.
It's so nice. It's that like weather where it's cool, but it's still we can dress like this. It's probably my favourite weather. It's why spring is my favourite season. I know. I don't know why they're here.
And it's still basically winter and we're out here in t-shirts.
It's not right, but I do like it. I can taste that through you.
Refreshing.
Actually bought us an egg each.
Oh, nice. How many of them you got stashed away? Right, so I took it on myself to go to the edge of the woods and see if there's any more noise or police cars, especially because it's a private wood. So that is the house that these woods belong to, and we're just camping here. That's it. Using free will, 1000%. You alright in there, Holly? Oh, what's this?
It's just testing out the bed.
Right.
Just
Okay.
testing if it's going to be warm.
Right. I've been gone for about 20 minutes. Have you been sleeping all that time?
No.
No. Okay. You just look cozy in there. We've got all our wood. We've got our chairs set up, and we've got a little hanger that seems to have fallen down.
Yeah. Just enjoying the nature for now.
Of course. It's so nice if you just listen. You can just hear all the birds, and it's that time of night where it's really soothing. It's nice.
Yeah, it's very peaceful.
It's got dark pretty quick. We're going to get these stones together and create some sort of fire pit. It's so wet in there. It's been raining loads. The thing about creating a fire pit is it keeps all the heat in. So when it's hard to light a fire, like it is tonight, all of these stones will help just build that heat in.
I actually didn't know that, so...
Yeah, well, neither did I really. I just sort of made it up. It was cool.
That does look cool.
Look at that. Yeah, light's pretty good, Holly. That is real hard work. Just need to see more stars because there's not as many leaves on the trees.
Yeah. We are about to cook these steaks.
Into a Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah.
I'm starving, are you?
Yeah, I am. I'm so hungry. This is going to smell so nice as well.
Yeah, it's all that wood chopping as well.
That is a big cheesesteak.
Season it with a nice amount of Himalayan rock salt. How do you like your steaks?
I like my steak rare.
Rare?
I like them rare. I've started to like them rarer. I don't think I could ever do blue.
No,
That's disgusting.
no, that's not nice.
That's like cannibal.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Philly cheesesteaks to the max. Max with cheese.
Mine has got massive. Okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm.
Cheers.
Mm.
Thoughts?
Probably an 8.5. And I wonder if there's a better way to melt cheese on something so big.
Yeah,
'Cause-
the cheese was hard to melt at the top.
Yeah,
It was just the bread that was sort of burning a bit.
but we can't like turn it over because otherwise there'll be cheese everywhere.
Yeah.
So we'll have to figure out a way.
Yeah, it's good though.
It was nice. I
Nice.
enjoyed it.
It's got quite cold now.
It's freezing. Both got our big coats on. Trying to warm my feet up, but I don't know if it'll go through my shoes. It's that comfy little spot we've made ourselves here.
Do you know what it's time for?
What? Oh, that goes perfectly with the stars in the fire.
Do you want to go?
I don't think I'm the best at it, but
The fire sizzling makes me think there's whispers over there. Really quite scary.
Like the Harry Potter. When they're snakes, when they talk in snake. I was just looking at your hand pan and I thought something. They remind me of eggs.
Right.
Like loads of eggs and then one big egg. But
And then the whole thing altogether is the mother egg.
yeah, the mother spaceship egg.
Right.
That's just what I've been thinking when I've been looking at it.
Yeah.
Egg, 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 egg. You wanna go on, mate? Egg?
No, never say that again.
Egg.
No.
It was very fun and peaceful.
Well, until you start with your egg nonsense.
I thought you were going to say eggnog. I'm going to get a hot water bottle and warm up some water before the fire goes out to put in our sleeping bag.
Very nice and warm.
Yeah. Going in, put it near the middle.
I think this is pretty cool. So we're operating our big light with Holly's little portable charger, and it's been going for 5 hours, maybe 6. We was here since 4. It's now almost 11, so that's about 7 hours, and it's only gone down by 1, and this whole thing is being ran off that.
It's really creepy outside because you can't see anything other than just tree stumps.
I know, but when you're in this little place, none of that really exists.
This little bit of cloth makes us feel safe.
Yeah. Right. Let's try these again. The camera cut out, but we've got some jam donuts for our midnight snack.
Wonder how they taste. Mmm.
As I said, very nice.
Delicious.
They're from the bakery, so they're nice and fresh.
Yeah, they are. There once was an old man who lived in the woods. He creeped around from tent to tent with donuts.
He saw one tent in the woods. He crept up to it. It was 12 o'clock at night. Precisely 11:47. They were filming a YouTube video.
He opened the zip and chucked 2 donuts in and said, "Enjoy your night if you can."
The 2 people in the tent said, "Cheers for the donuts. Good night." And off they went to sleep. The end.
Oh, scary.
Right, I think it's time for bed.
Yeah, I agree.
We're all wrapped up. These are quite warm.
They are warm. Hot water bottle trick worked.
Yeah, very toasty. So we'll let you know if we get attacked by the donut giving clown in the night.
Wish us luck.
Hopefully we don't hear any fox screams, because I hate them so much. They're so scary. Even though I know what they are, it's just a horrible sound.
Don't call them.
Yeah. Good night.
Night.
Night, Holly.
Night. Morning, Explodians. Did you sleep okay?
Yeah, until you woke me up with your nightmare, and then I was up for 2 hours analysing every little sound outside of this tent thinking there was so much going on and people were walking around the tent. Nothing was happening probably, but scary.
Yeah, I had a scary dream.
Let's hit the road.